Wait, I'm not ready yet. Okay, now I'm ready. Hi, I'm Debasree. I am here at the FDCI X Lakmé Fashion Week and I have something to ask you. Are you a make-up-holic? Confess, explore, and let's find out. Hi Lisha. Hi Achal.
Hi guys, I'm Ratika Vyas.
I love what you've done with your eyes. I'm so happy to see you here.
Hi guys, I'm Anushka.
Hi, I'm Rexa.
Today we guys are going to be talking about some fun stuff.
And I can see you have a very cute bag. Tell me how many makeup products are in it.
I've got about 3 to 4. I've got my lipstick, my eyebrow pencil and my blush.
I have about 7 makeup products.
I have about 6 to 7 makeup products here, but my suitcase has full of them.
I love what you've done. How long did it take for you to do this?
It took me 1.5 hours.
I took 15 minutes, I guess, just for the eyes. Not the whole thing. Yeah, just for the eyes, 15 minutes.
5 minutes.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because you just have to put the stroke, that's for it. So you do it every day, so you become a pro.
It took me about 35 minutes.
It was just done in like say 10 minutes because it's just like a graphic thing happening here.
And how long does it usually take for you to like shop for makeup?
All day shopping online.
Honestly, it takes me more than an hour at one go, for sure.
Loads, I guess. Every day I look at something new and then I feel like purchasing it. Let's not get into that because I take hours and hours to shop for makeup, to be very honest, because I keep scrolling and then decide, acha, this is the thing I want to go for.
And how many eye looks have you explored this season?
So Lakmé's new Absolute Explore range, their eye pencils are crazy. I love the funky colors and the pigmentation.
I actually got inspired by this by one of the shows that I saw and the lip as well.
I'm excited to try the Lakmé Absolute Explore eye range.
Really excited to try the Lakmé Absolute Explore range. Orange, color of the season, highlighter orange. I have to try that.
So these were all of the makeup-holics at the FDCI X Lakmé Fashion Week. Are you a makeup-holic? Comment down below.